What is up, YouTube? Magnus here. I'm a little excited. 30,000 subscribers is kind of a big deal. At least it is to me. Maybe it isn't to the big YouTubers, but whatever, we're getting there. And because at 10,000 subscribers and 20,000 subscribers, I gave something away. Giving something away again. A little book I made, a little wolf book that I think is pretty cool. There's 2 ways to enter. You can enter twice. Each way will get you 1 entry, and I will draw a winner through some magical software program on the internet. So the 2 ways are, you subscribe to this channel and leave a comment down below. The other way is, on Instagram, you will hashtag Dark Horse Workshop underneath a picture of something that you've created. It can be anything, really, like within reason, I guess. I don't want anything ridiculous, but you know, it can be out of foam, paper mache, it can be a painting, it can be a drawing, it can be a souffle, I don't know. You may not get entered if you do a souffle, I'm not sure. Also, really soon I'm gonna do some build videos on my Halloween costume. Lord of Thunder! I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but it might be kinda cool. The only problem is I've already built part of it without filming it, so I'm gonna have to do build videos on the rest of it, and then rebuild the whole hardest part to build. So it might be like a multi-part series, but You guys can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Patreon. Patreon would be great if you guys want to help support the channel even more. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're interested in costumes, props, leatherworking, and all that kind of jazz. And yeah, that's about it. Pretty awesome, 30,000 subscribers. Didn't think we'd do it. You know what I would like to do? I'd like to hit 50,000 before the end of the year. That is probably impossible, or is it? And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do. I should share it anyways. I should just say that, and I should say you have to share the video. You should share it as part of the thing. Nobody will know. They'll just share it anyways. I won't say that though, I'm not a liar.